Alhamdulillah, yan na. Natapos na ang aming paghihirap. Yan. Butas na lang sa diesel panel. Yan. Yan. Electric panel. Pump room. Ayan. Hindi puli. Already done. Yeah.
Jockey pump.
Only balance to bring inside the panel. This is electric pump.
This is electric pump.
And this is the jockey pump.
Jockey pump. This one jockey pump. Jockey pump.
This is the M10 panel. See, worth it guys. Already done. Ayan, tapos din. Alhamdulillah. Ayan, device. Main gate valve. Gate valve. Ito yung tangke ng diesel. Motor. Diesel generator. Ayan. Yung tamper switch na lang kulang. Mga kulang nito. Patapos na. Almost done. Balance terminations. Housekeeping. Tapos namin ang trabaho, housekeeping. Yan. Housekeeping first before leave.